Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here, differentiate this. Find dy by dx of this. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, take the natural log of both sides. So well, from here, take the natural log of both sides. That will then give you this. Okay, so now you can move this out here, and then you can move this y over here. Okay, so that will then give you this. And now use implicit differentiation. Bear in mind that you've got to use the product rule here. Okay, you've got to use the product rule on this side, and then you've got to use the product rule on this side here. So if you differentiate this, remember the product rule is differentiate this, leave this the same. So differentiate x, that would be 1, and then 1 times this thing here. So yeah, so that's the first part of the product rule. And then the second part is to leave this the same. That's this leaving this the same, and then differentiate this. And when you differentiate this, it will be 1 over y times y prime. Okay, because y here is a function of x. And then come on this side here. You've got one bubble multiplying with another bubble. So again, use the product rule. Differentiate the y. That will give you y prime. Because when you differentiate the y, it will be 1, and then because y is a function of x, then you've got to times dy by, well, you've got to times by y prime, which is this thing here. Okay, and then so hang on, let's start again. So you've got one thing multiplying another thing. The product rule is differentiate this, leave this the same. So differentiate this, leave this the same here. And then the second part, leave this the same, and then differentiate this, giving you this. Okay, so that will then give you this, and then now tidy it up. So you've got one block times this block here. These two will get multiplied to the top, and so on. So simplify this whole thing here. That will then give you this thing here. Okay, now times both sides by y. At the moment you've got two layers here. Get everything onto one layer. So times everything by y. Then that will give you this. And then here you still got two layers here. So now times everything by x. That will then give you this. Now everything's on one layer now. So you've got one block, this block, and this block here. Keep an eye out on y prime, because that's what you're trying to isolate. You're trying to work out y prime. So at the moment you've got this block, this block, this block, this block here. You see y prime exists here, y prime exists here. So move this block to the other side, move this one over to the other side here. So that will then give you this. Okay, so now you can see that y prime here, y prime here. So factor out the y prime. That will then give you this, and then divide both sides by this thing here. That will then give you this. So y prime is given by this, or well, that's the same as dy by dx. dy by dx is this, and this is this. Okay.